welcome back to ChriSamz Properties, and today there is another application window about to be opened by the National Housing Trust for persons in St. Katherine and also in Manchester. So for my St. Katherine peeps, there will be units available at Katherine Estate, and for my Manchester peeps, there will be application opening for 2 bedrooms and also service lots at Perth Estate in Manchester. So we're going to be starting off with Katherine Estate. It has been a very long while since we have done a video of that development. However, from the video running in the background right now, it looks pretty much the same. This captures essentially what you can get at Katherine Estate. So the National Housing Trust will be inviting persons on August 11th to 12th to put in their applications for Katherine Estate, as there will be 52 studio duplex units and 17 one-bedroom units available. So you can go on like you usually do, August 11th when the portal is open, fill out the application online and you can submit. The good thing is that you don't need an eligibility letter in order to apply for the scheme units. Alright, so don't worry yourself that you don't get that done, or if you never go out and prepare your letter, you can still go on the 11th or the 12th of August and put in your application for one of the studio duplex unit or one of the one-bedroom unit at Katherine Estate. And this is for those persons that are living or working in St. Katherine. Alright, and please don't miss the date, because once the portal is closed, it is closed. And then for Manchester Perth Estate Housing Development, there will be approximately 290 2-bedroom detached units available, and also 495 service lots at Perth Estate. Alright, so the application window for Perth will be August 11th to the 14th of August. So both application windows open at the same time. However, Katherine Estate ends on the 12th and Perth will end on August 14th. So the scheme is located off Perth Road and is approximately 5 kilometers from the Mandeville Town Centre. So the lots are fully serviced with sewage treatment facilities, portable water, electricity, and all other amenities necessary for modern living. So you have schools nearby, you have the police station nearby, you have commercial centers, as well as there are also health facilities in the area. And for those who are looking into Katherine Estate, this development is located on Dunby Holding Road, so it's between Spanish Town and Portmore, and it offers access to civil amenities in both urban centers. So the units feature charming open concept dining and kitchen area. So you can take a few little minutes, go through or take a look at what's happening right now in the background, as this was a video previously done at Katherine Estate. But guys, please don't miss the application window. A lot of persons have been waiting for a very long time, especially for Katherine Estate, and now is the opportunity to once again put in your application. If you tried before and you did not get through, don't be disheartened. It won't cost you a thing to open the website. So this is the NHT website. When the portal is up and running, to put in your application for one of these units. Again, we have 52 studio duplex units and the 17 one-bedroom units at Katherine Estate. And for those looking to apply on the Manchester end at Perth Estate, you can apply for 290 two-bedroom detached units, as well as there will be 495 service lots available in this application window. So you guys can go on, put in your application. I pray for your success this time round, but this is your opportunity to step into home ownership. This is your opportunity to grab something through the NHT, and this is your opportunity to another piece of independence. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by at ChriSamz Properties, where we continue to provide you with property tours, updates, and I can comfortably say the best drone shots of developments in Jamaica right here on this channel. So continue to like these videos, continue to subscribe, and as I always say, don't be selfish, but share out the videos to your families, to your friends, share it on your social media platforms, and let these videos go as far as possible so that those who qualify and those who are interested and looking for a property might get the updates as well. So guys, we'll catch up in another video, and don't miss the application window. Katherine Estate, August 11th and 12th, and Perth Estate, August 11th to the 14th. Don't miss out. So I'll catch you guys in another video.